Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the engine computer, the ECU on a Jaguar X-Type. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Also, we have the video what you need to do if you don't want to program the new computer, what you need to buy in order to be able to do the repair yourself and not go to the dealer. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Okay, now you need to first unhook the battery. Okay, both cables, positive and negative, and make sure that you do that before you start the repair, because even if you install a new computer you might burn it if you have the cables on. So we need to do the negative as well, both of them. Okay, just like that. And if you want to make sure that you don't have any electricity in the computers, you can just touch both of them, and that way it will discharge the computers. Okay guys, next thing that you need to go to the left side of the vehicle, actually the front right. This will be passenger side in US, and UK it will be the driver side, and that's where the wiring for the computer is. Okay, as you can see right here, that goes towards the ECU, and you need a special tool. We'll show you now. It's supposed to be with 5. It's kind of like a star looking with a hole in the middle, but we're going to use that screwdriver. If you get exact same size screwdriver as that, it will get stuck there pretty good, and you can actually turn it by hand. You can even use the pliers on the screwdriver if you need to, if it's really stuck at first. And then you can just go ahead and pull the cable out. Okay, now we're going to show exactly what it looks like right there. And this is the wiring harness for the computer itself. Now right there we have 2 nuts with 10mm socket and long extension that we'll need to remove. Okay, just like that. One is on this side and one is on the other side. It's not the most convenient place, but it doesn't take long to remove it actually. Okay, and then we have one more on the other side as well, right there. And you're pretty much done under the hood. Now you need to open the glove box. We have the video how to remove the glove box on our channel, or find it in the description below. We have the playlist for the Jaguar as well. And once you remove it, let me show you where exactly the computer is located. Okay, it's right there, as you can see, and there is only one nut that holds it now with a 10mm socket. Okay, the one right there. So you need to remove this one. Okay, just like that. And it's not very complicated procedure. That's what the nut looks like. And now you can go ahead and pull it out of the... Okay, right there. And now you can unhook all the wires. And what you need to do in order to do that, you need to press right there and pull. Okay, you can see just like that, and all of them come, and they're color coded on top. You can see where the colors are right here, so you cannot get confused and mix them up later. Everything is pretty much good, so you just need to do like that and remove all the wiring. Okay, and that's the ECU, guys. That's the ECU computer with the GEM module itself. If you just need to replace the computer, all you need to do is just pull it out, and that's the whole deal. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.